One of the promises I made to fellow modelers was I would introduce you to a number of exotic tropical hardwoods that I can find here in Trinidad. And today we're going to look at a piece of guava wood. You all should know what guava is. It's a lovely fruit full of lots of seeds. It makes a wonderful jam. But from a wood perspective, perhaps the most important thing, it's the most bendy wooden I've ever found. So here's a nice piece of guava that I'm going to cut up, and we take a little look at its characteristics. Out of that large piece, this is what I've got, which again I'm going to use this for making the very small lifeboats that are found on the vessels. We'll date this and leave it to dry, probably for at least 6 months before we'll cut it into planks. As you can see, it's a very nice white wood. It'll be interesting to see what color it takes on when it ages a bit. 6 years ago, I made up 3 little videos on how I made up the gig for the Naparima, which is the small little lifeboats. And I use guava wood for the ribs. So rather than make you wait, I suggest you go back and take a look at those 3 videos, which I'll provide a link in the description below. So hope you have a nice day, and remember, as always, we keep modeling.